couple of little hints or tips when you're making up or prototyping. I found a version of a strip board or Vero board, whatever you want to call it, where you can see the arrangement of the tracks behind. They're not in one continuous strip. Now in the front here I've got a MOSFET. I use it to actually switch this relay with a signal from the Arduino, and these two deliberately double insulated wires that I've got here that are held down with the cable tie, the 240 volt switching. Some people may get hysterical at the fact that one of the wires is green, but it's not green and yellow, and that will be going into a surface mounted terminal strip. I purloined both of these devices on the board, the MOSFET and the Omron relay, from an old printer, an old Toshiba printer. What I've done is, because I'm switching 240 on the back of this, I've made a very significant land clearing effort where I have removed a lot of tracks. So in the event of a flash or some other disaster, there's very little likelihood that it will track across and damage anything. Well, yeah, just trying to minimize any arc or flash hazard. And I have gone and installed these little pins in here that will allow me, for example, to connect my ribbon cables and so forth together to my various inputs, so I can easily remove them. Now, another little tip is a lot of these resistors that you see here that connect into the Arduino, once I can find it, what I've done is I've used pins. I removed the actual original legs in them, and I have placed these little plastic spacers on them, and at the back of that I've put a dab of glue, hot glue. I've bent it to shape, and it allows me then to do several things. Obviously I can easily replace this in here one-handed. Of course it's a bit hard, but that's the idea. If I can show you, but trust me, it goes in there quite easily in one hit and locks down, and it will allow me then to use these connectors here to just quickly slip on the end there and make a good connection, and it keeps it neat and tidy and looking good, and that's what we want. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you got something from that. Bye.